Hey, it's Matt and Chris hanging out on the couch. He's got himself a book of, looks like dad jokes. Very comfortable. He's got that grin on his face. You know, it's some good ones. Now, if you're thinking about donating, maybe you got some in your garage that's a little beat up, a little worn, something you want to get rid of, but you don't know what to do. Goodwill, Doug, can deal with that kind of stuff too.
100%. Sometimes we get broken furniture, and that's okay. We actually have a team on 168th Street right here in Edmonton. It's called the Repair for Good team. And what they do is they're a team made of people with disabilities, and they upcycle these items into fabulous showpieces for your house, just like the piece right in front of me. Like, look at the colors. It just looks perfect, and it can go well with your pink room, Matt.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're right. The accents are wonderful. You can find this in all kinds of stores, right?
That's right. Every store right here in Edmonton.
Fantastic. For more info, Google Goodwill and find the nearest Goodwill store next to you today.